Why did medieval Londoners build homes and shops on a bridge and live there for over 600 years? From a bustling town above the Thames to the old London Bridge sold to America, where it still stands today. This is the story of the 2,000-year journey of London Bridge. When many people hear the name London Bridge, they often picture the grand drawbridge with two magnificent towers. But the bridge most people are thinking of is actually Tower Bridge. It's a common confusion. London Bridge itself may not look particularly ornate, but it is one of the most historic places in the city, deeply connected to the very beginning of London. Built across the River Thames, it was the first bridge ever constructed here, and for centuries it remained the only way to cross the river until Westminster Bridge was completed in 1750. In the 1st century AD, when the Romans conquered Britain, they established a new settlement on the north bank of the Thames. This area would later become what we now know as the City of London today, one of the world's leading financial centres. And at the heart of this growing settlement stood London Bridge. The early wooden bridge, built above the fast-flowing water, was far more than a simple structure. It was a strategic military crossing for Roman troops and a vital lifeline for trade and transport. In many ways, it would not be an exaggeration to say that the London we know today began here at this very crossing. Over the centuries, the bridge collapsed and was rebuilt many times. Then, in the medieval period, a far more ambitious structure appeared. Completed in 1209, the medieval London Bridge was not just a bridge, it was a living community. Houses, shops, chapels, and taverns lined both sides. People lived and worked directly above the river, turning the bridge into something resembling a small town in its own right. For more than 600 years, this extraordinary structure stood as one of London's defining symbols. But beneath its grandeur lay constant danger. The powerful currents of the Thames strained its foundations, while fires and floods repeatedly threatened its survival. The bridge existed in a fragile balance, always under pressure. As London grew into a major city, the bridge could no longer cope with the increasing demands, and eventually the buildings upon it were removed. During the Industrial Revolution, a new London Bridge was constructed, an impressive stone arch bridge representing the height of engineering at the time. Yet even this bridge could not escape the pressures of a rapidly expanding city. Structural problems emerged, and eventually a decision was made to replace it. But then something remarkable happened. Instead of simply demolishing the bridge, the City of London decided to sell it to the United States. An entrepreneur, Robert McCulloch, purchased the bridge for around $2.46 million. Each stone was carefully numbered, dismantled, and transported across the Atlantic to Arizona. There, in the middle of the desert, London Bridge was rebuilt where it still stands today in Lake Havasu City. The bridge we cross today was completed in 1973. It is a modern concrete structure, simple and functional in appearance, yet its name carries more than 1,000 years of history. From its origins as a Roman crossing, this place has never stopped evolving. It remains a powerful symbol of London, where past and present exist side by side.